Yeah, man, Shelly. You ever hear a saying say who laughs, laugh it best? Remember that laugh when me pranky people them say ice wall me? I laugh, think I truth, you done some fool and also say I edit. You big idiot. No, I mean I laugh right now. And say automatic then whole squash with not chum time. So I want to see how it go. Remember 2 times now them I hold him. So and there's not the first offense we get me, but me not thinking gonna get me. So if they choose to go back to Jamaica or in choose to go to a different country. But yeah man, no more United States in America for you. I hope that happens.
Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we have Squash getting arrested in Florida. Allegedly, people are saying Blamdem did have something to do with it, or no. But then again, I wouldn't say that because Blamdem come out and say a Shabdan inform pan Squash. And he must say, if he be a bad man and attach so much information to police and inform pan Squash. And see it, 1 day after Squash get arrested. So check this out. Before we get into the video, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it.
Dog, wait, dog, you see, I go and bring you down. And that me I tell you, because I tired down, bro. When I fight me from me, a young youth, dog. I'm tired down now. And that me I make you know. I tired down, drunk. Alright. When you share up your life on top of the screen, share life to pepper sauce them. And the screen record people them. Cause me go show you something today. Me go show you something today, bro. Me tear down the dog. I tear down the bro. And me tear down from my heart, youth. And that me I make you know me go talk, bro. And that me I make you know me night with you know me tear down the bro. Now crosses, bro. And that me I make you know. We now crosses in my life. And me I tell you that straight. So now crosses. I walk. Top of the screen and shape your life. And that me I make you know. Me never got courthouse yet. Me never ever in my life go one courthouse and find Panama and say, yes, I him do that. So I want to talk to me. I understand you're a bad man. Bad man no go court, bad man fight them war no matter what they lose. Look what things you do to my people. I never see me go court yet. Me no lose one family up a green pan. And me never go court yet. Me no lose my cousin them how much so and me never go court yet. So I want to go court and understand no bad. When I inform a bad man, that me I make you know. When I inform Shabdan that the people, that are Shabdan. That are Shabdan. They look pan that the man they see this so. That's Shabdan. Look on see this so. Shabdan child protester want witness to appeal and VA link. You know who that the pan VA link? The great bad J-man. We say my 6'4" and bad man. How if you talk to me? J-man are informer, bro. J-man he feds them at Jamaica. I reach out to America. Them gonna comment a rat emoji. Man, an informer can't talk badness me deal with, bro.
Yeah, you mean what?
Man send him on a prison, J-man an informer, and him a bad man. Then go play the man family them, the man friend them, and slap the man friend them, and the man retaliate and slap about 4 of them, to 3 of them, and then go court go inform on the man, and him a contact me. An informer, no 6 man, no 641. Whoever, not where say 6 can't talk to me, bro. Cause me know no too good for you to talk to me, no informer and clown. You know a rat bad man. So J-man a court you go pan man, bro. You can't talk to me, bro. Me lose so much family. A J-rat name,
Yes, guys, so that's what happened yesterday on Blamdem's live, and then now Squash is arrested. So, could there be truth to what Blamdem was saying? But you guys know more than me, so you guys tell me what you think about that in the comment section. Now on to the next topic. Miss Blinger say Lisa Appa is not mad. She says she upset with Vybz Kartel because he chose Sidem. She also said Lisa Appa should have valued herself, and she's not mad, she just upset. And before we get into that video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check this out.
What I believe is going Lisa Hype. For all of the people them who say Lisa Hype is mad, stop it. Stop it right now. I want you to stop it. Lisa Hyper is not mad. Lisa Hyper is upset. She's disappointed and she's tired. She cannot take it anymore. The reason why Lisa is coming out and doing these things is because vybz Kartel chose Sidem. But what I believe is going on is Lisa Hype did not value herself from day one. When you are a female and you are around stars like the teacher, you have to value yourself. You can't just get up and a tech suck and a tech suck and a do the things them. It's not. Stop it. You guys can disagree with me all you want, but it's the truth. You guys are biased as fuck. You guys are very biased and you guys need to stop. Please to stop now. Lisa is upset because she did not get to own that dick. Lisa is not mad. All these going to the hospital and police arresting and this bag of rough cloth, nothing is wrong with her. I want to personally big up Lisa Hype for taking the whole of February. And if we're not careful, she might just take March too. More news for me to read. It is alleged that Lisa said that she has been fucking vybz kartel from a young age. And Lisa should be very ashamed to even blurb that out of her mouth, to know that you've been sleeping with Adidja Palmer from a young age, but you don't have a pot to piss in. You don't have a house, you don't have a car, you have no bank account with anything in there. Lisa, stop it. Stop it now. Lisa, this is all your fault. Somebody needs to tell you. Someone has to tell you. Everybody is sugarcoating things to you. I will not. That Adidja chose Sidem over Shorty and everything. But Adidja have to do what he has to do. You, Lisa, coming out and talking about all of the girl them in a Gaza, all I come talk about. You, Lisa had said that the blue hair lady gave Adidja Palmer disease, sexually transmitted disease. Lisa, stop it down. Stop it. Stop right there. Because this won't get you anything.
Ah, boy. Lisa's in the hospital and her name is still ringing the bell in the streets, all because of a relationship. Speaking of relationships, the girl that came on Toxic Talk last night with Jay Frey, well, she is receiving a lot of backlash, as I said yesterday, but this time, Alice, is rinsing out her business. She claims that she knows sex for money, and, well, check this out. Like the video, guys, and look at this.
An interview, but more for know if you're single, so we know if we bring the reasoning. Go.
No, I'm not single.
Oh.
Sex and blowjob, titty, I'm not rotten like dog.
Fresh drop.
Was there ever a time when you never stand your ground?
No.
You never talked to artists before?
Never.
Be really yourself.
Right, you know, call me name suck cock.
Be really yourself.
No artist don't fuck me, that's it.
Maybe true, but there was.
You never talked to an artist before?
No, never.
Alright, now because this damn toxic talk.
Never.
Let's be honest, toxic talk.
Never.
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 Where you put that boy? I put it on something.
My son life. Never.
Jesus Christ.
Teacher, we're saying him on Jeffrey, like African doll, at least I send the people. Let me read it. Need a business girl for tonight. Pays 80K. These are some international baller and the man them. Make sure you look like in the picture because the man them will send them back. Extra pics, please. That I want of them.
Certain things I don't do in videos. Like certain things, not me. You want a next girl, you call next girl. It's fine by me. But
So you don't do that. You don't do it because of you or because
no,
you're
because of me. Because of me. Because
$30,000 to get head and fuck. $30,000 to take.
Fresh drop.
Certain things funny life. Cause we did want bust our bubbles, we could have show things. They show certain things funny life.
If you're not talking with me, man can give me $30,000 to fuck me, tete. Be real.
artists don't make sense. When our females date artists, them don't make sense. Not at all.
That one they say 80K, but you see that one ya? That one I say need two business girls. It's either tonight or Saturday. Them not make up their mind yet on the date. Pay 30K, sex and blowjob. Titty I'm out rotten like dog.
In terms of video vixens, if I 10 vixens in a Jamaica, how much of them probably already slept with an artist?
To be
Out of
honest,
the 10.
to be honest, maybe 9.
So you're the special one.
No,
You're
I'm
the
not the
special
special one. I'm not the special one. But
Yeah,
I'm
you
just
have to be
saying.
if you never did do. So it's either you tell me say you did do.
Me, and 1 out of 10.
Oh, Titty be in an argument with me. I'm showing you the message. Make I show you the message. See that? Me not telling a lie on Titty. African dollar, she that. See that? A 30K the woman say no, and you get blow job, and you get sex. Oh, you want an argument with me, Titi? Oh, Titi want an argument with me? Really, Titi? Really? $30,000? Man can put $30,000 in my hand, Titi?
Oi, story come to bump. Guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and that's it for now. I'll see you next time. Leave your comments below, share to your friend. Bye-bye.